Hello everyone. Happy August 11th. Today we celebrate cheerful traditions, delicious global flavors, and selfless giving. Let's explore 3 inspiring events. These celebrations make great moments to gift someone even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting events are coming this month. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's Play in the Sand Day. A day to embrace childhood fun and creativity. A perfect gift could be a beach play set, a sand art kit, or a day trip to the shore. What's your favorite beach memory? Share in the comments. Next, it's National Raspberry Tart Day. A celebration of sweet and tangy treats. A thoughtful gift could be a Tart Baking Kit, a raspberry dessert box, or a cookbook of fruity pastries. Love baking with berries? Tell us your best recipe. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Sons and Daughters Day. A reminder to appreciate the joy family brings. A great gift could be a heartfelt letter, a memory book, or a special bonding activity. What's your proudest family moment? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for September 11th to 15th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome!